Hello, thanks for watching my store. I'm BB Service from Japan. I'm here today with Contax G2. The camera is clean except for some scuffing marks right here, and this screw is rusted, and the battery cover here somewhere. Otherwise, the grip is clean, and no dents, no serious scratch. So small problem is when you turn it on, the lens comes out. When you try to set to the infinity mode from this point, the lens moves back. So you go to the manual mode and go back to the infinity mode again. Now it works. And the shutter speed changes response to the exposure.